Faster, it's my property, my money. Just do the work. That's what you're here to do. Just do the work, nothing more.
You're looking at a virtual sweatshop run by activist Matt Friedman.
I own you. I own your time.
Since 2015, he has led workshops for students across Asia to get a lesson in modern-day slavery.
My name is Mr. Friedman. I run a company, and our company makes nuts and bolts, and you have one of them in your hand.
Friedman tells the students their labor is his for the next 5 hours.
You're going to take the nut and put it on the bolt continuously. I do not want you to talk to anyone else. I don't want you to even make eye contact with me.
As the pandemic continues to shutter schools in Asia, he's taken his workshop online.
So the reason why we're doing this sweatshop simulation is, number one, to raise awareness.
So around 40 students and their parents from Bangkok and Hong Kong can experience sweatshop labor side by side.
Faster. Focus on the work. Time is my money.
Mr. Friedman, my hands are really, really sore and I want to take a break. Can I please take a 10-minute break?
No, you can't take a break. No breaks, no food, no water, no toilet. Just do the job.
The families struggle.
So just out of character for...
They appear exhausted. Some are fed up.
Can I take some rest?
Just stop talking and do the job. Imagine if you had to do this 15 hours a day, every day, and you didn't get paid. So you're going to feel what it feels like to do this type of work. It's very tedious. It's boring. Let me see you do it faster now. Okay, folks, we're going to stop here.
The simulation ends and a conversation begins on what it's like for the millions across Asia entrapped in slave labor.
How did you feel about going through that sweatshop experience?
I felt stressful and like our hands hurt.
After 5 minutes, I felt like giving up, and my hands started cramping up and my arms started getting tired.
And with parents joining students in the virtual exercise, families can work together to respond to an important social issue.
This is not a typical family game night. I mean, you had to experience sweatshop-like conditions. What did it feel like, and what did you learn as a family?
It was an opportunity for me to make my child understand how important every small thing in life is. It's very difficult to know and to feel that pain while sitting here unless we go through it. And this was a lovely opportunity for all of us. It's a real eye-opener for the kids and the parents as well.
It's just alarming that modern-day slavery still exists today.
What's your message? What do you want to say that people should do in order to help be a part of the solution related to this?
I think we should take more care when we're buying items such as clothes and maybe to invest in more like sustainable or more fair trade items. This is an issue that we are a part of.
As individuals, I think it's hard to find a proper solution or a nice solution that can solve this grand problem of human trafficking. But I think as a collective, we have the power.
We're already into the third year of the pandemic. Has human trafficking gotten worse during this time?
We anticipate, because of this situation, that it will get a lot worse. Every 4 seconds, somebody enters modern slavery. Is there urgency? Absolutely.
It takes only an hour to drive home the reality of slave labor and motivate the next generation of freedom fighters to make a difference. Kristie Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.